Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to clean out your PlayStation 5 and remove dust from the fan so it runs quieter. So let's go ahead, jump in the video right now. So in this video, I'm going to be using a microfiber cleaning cloth, and this is great for cleaning electronic products. Also, I have some compressed air. Now, I just easily bought this from Walmart, and it was fairly cheap. I got 2 or 3 cans for about $7 or $8. And this one is called Dust Off. Now, when using the compressed air, do not shake it. Keep it upright. Clear the nozzle by pointing towards the open area and pulling the trigger quickly 3 times. And hold the nozzle 3 to 4 inches away from the object and pull the trigger in a series of short 2 to 3 second bursts. Also, I have a vacuum cleaner right here I'm going to be using to suck out the dust from the dust traps. Alright, so let's go ahead and begin. The first thing we need to go ahead and do is remove the face plates from the PlayStation 5. So on this side, let's go ahead and grab near the PlayStation icon, lift up, and then pull towards us. And that will go ahead and remove this face cover, exposing the PlayStation 5 right here. Now the 2 dust traps will be located right here and here. I don't see very much dust in those. So I'm going to use my vacuum cleaner and suck the dust out of those. Alright, so those dust traps should be good. Now I'm going to wipe down everything with my microfiber cleaning cloth and just removing any dust from the surface here. And this is looking good already. I saw some dust over by my fan before. Now let's go ahead and take my compressed air and just do a series of 2 to 3 second short bursts and just clean off the dust from the inside of the fan and the other areas, trying to avoid the dust traps so it doesn't blow air back into the PlayStation. So let's do the fan area. Also, let's get the front of the PlayStation 5, getting into the USB ports. And just clearing everything away from here. And also get the rear of the PlayStation 5, where all these vents are for the USB, the LAN, and the HDMI and the power cable. Let's just go ahead and spray into here. And also the bottom of the PlayStation 5 has some ports right here that we can go ahead and spray into. Alright, so this side should be good. Let's go ahead and flip it over now and remove the other faceplate. Now to remove this faceplate, it will be the opposite side. And all we have to do is lift up on this side now, and then pull towards us. So it will be the opposite side of the disc tray right here. And here it is. Alright, so here is the bottom of the PlayStation 5. We can see the fan once again, and here's the NVMe expansion bay. So let's take that compressed air once again and just spray around and clean off the fan. Then go with your microfiber clean cloth and just wipe everything down and just collect any additional dust that you didn't spray away with your compressed air. Alright, so my PlayStation is looking pretty good now. Before we put the covers back on, let's go ahead and just inspect the covers. Make sure there's no dust on here. If there is, go ahead and just wipe it down real quick and collect any of the dust off of here. And do the same thing with your other faceplate. Just go ahead and wipe it down real quick before we go ahead and place everything back on. Now let's put on the cover once again. So I'm going to put on the disc tray area first. Let's go ahead and put it back on. And then we're just going to have to go ahead and pull that way. And it'll snap back in very easily. Let's turn over my PlayStation 5 now and do the same thing to the opposite side. So let's put on the cover just like this. And all I have to do is push that way and a little bit downward force. Boom. And it snapped right on. So that is how you can clean off your PlayStation 5, remove the dust, clean the fan very easily without taking apart the entire PlayStation 5. And it's very easy to do. So if this video did indeed help you out, go ahead and leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.